Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over the midpoint formula of a segment. So midpoint is literally the point in the middle of those two endpoints. So we have a midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What these are essentially telling us is we're finding the average of our x coordinates and average of our y coordinates. Remember that average means we're adding up the items and dividing by that number of items, in which this case is we have 2 because there's 2 endpoints. Strategy for you is to then label your coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2, and it does not matter which one is your first coordinate or your second coordinate. From here, we're going to plug it into our midpoint formula. So -8 plus a -1 divided by 2, -10 plus -6 divided by 2, and then I'm going to simplify. So we get -9 over 2, comma, -16 over 2, and then continue simplifying. We get -9 over 2, comma, -2, and that gets you your midpoint. You can also rewrite these as decimal coordinates if it's a non-repeating decimal. So we have -4.5, comma, -2. Don't forget to hug your coordinates, they need parentheses. And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.